How to allow only followers to see Instagram story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your account, then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. This will open settings and activity. Scroll down and then click on account privacy, which is below who can see your content. In here, you will find private account option. Turn that on. After you turn on your private account, the person that you follow or the person that follows you will only be able to see your Instagram story as well as post until you accept their follow request. This is how to allow only followers to see Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.